Mũrurumo wa igeranio cia bũrũri ũkĩrika kiumia gĩa gatatũ, Minista wa Gĩthomo Gamba Migos na maabitha angĩ anene manokete kũndũ gũtiganĩte gũtwarithia ũrekereria wa maratathi ma kĩgeranio kĩa mũthia gĩa KJSEA na oho kũrugũria kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kũrĩ arutwo othe bũrũri-inĩ.
Today is the beginning of large papers for KCSE and we have been able to issue them here in Westlands, and the same is happening all over the country. For KJSEA, this is the last day. Learners are sitting for their last paper of KJSEA, and so far I want to thank all our stakeholders, all our teachers, our invigilators for smoothly rolling out KJSEA, which was completed last week, and of course also KJSEA, which has been running for the last 6 days.
Ministry ya Gĩthomo yugĩte kuma igeranio cia bũrũri ciambĩrĩria maũndũ mothe nĩ mathiĩte o wega orotiga mĩhĩnga ya mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩraura kũndũ gũtiganĩte, no thirikari nĩ ĩbangĩte gũtigĩrĩra arutwo othe nĩ makinyĩrwo nĩ igeranio ciao ũrĩa kũbatiĩ.
Our intention, our plan, our strategy is to ensure that no child, no learner, this 996,078 misses doing the examinations during this time. So we put logistics in place as a government.
We have deployed helicopters, we have deployed motor vehicles, and all the requirements that are required to ensure that every candidate is given a chance to sit for their examinations.
Mũhĩnga mũnene wonekete kaunti-inĩ ya Elgeyo Marakwet kũrũmĩrĩra mũtino wa Ituĩka ũrĩa ũracũngĩrĩirie ikuũ cia arutwo amwe, thirikari ĩkiuga mĩbango ya mwanya nĩ ĩkinyanĩirio nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra arutwo arĩa mahutĩtio matinaga gwĩka igeranio ciao.
Unfortunately, we lost 14 students in the incident. It's really unfortunate. And we have made logistical arrangements also, including working very closely with our security agencies to ensure that all the students have been safely evacuated and all the students can be able to sit for their examinations without interruption.
Kĩgeranio gĩa KJSEA gĩatirihwo ũmũthĩ, mĩhang'o ya gũkĩmaka ĩkwarũkwo orĩo nĩguo maumĩrĩra makarekererio tene mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba na kũhe ihinda woyani wa arutwo aya thukuru-inĩ cia senior.
Most of the KJSEA exam will be marked electronically, and marking will begin immediately as soon as tomorrow. And we expect it to be done expeditiously, and within another 40 days at most, we should be able to release that result.
Maabitha othe arĩa mehokeirwo ũkinyanĩria wa igeranio ici cia bũrũri nĩ maririkanĩtio gũkinyanĩria mawatho marĩa magathĩke ma kũgitĩra ciĩko cia gũthoga igeranio, makĩrwo arĩa mekũnyitikana na mahĩtia nĩ megũtũngio guoko kwa watho.
We've had a discussion with the office of prosecutor, ODPP, and we've agreed and they are ready in the event of anybody being found engaging in any sort of malpractice or irregularity. Legal action will be taken against them, criminal charges will be preferred, and the process of them going through that court process and they found guilty, being jailed will then be part and parcel of it. And once that is done, and if it's a teacher or anybody who's working in the ministry, they will not be able to come back to the profession.
Kĩgeranio kĩa arutwo wa Form 4 gĩa KCSE gĩgũkorwo gĩgĩthiĩ na mbere kwa ihinda rĩa ciumia 3 iroka, gĩkĩbangĩrwo kũrĩka tarĩki 21 mweri-inĩ ũyũ wa 11. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.